Now all the bell peppers and onions should be well cooked after we covered the lid. Green onions here. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken stir fry using some chicken wings. Chicken and bell pepper stir fry. Very quick and easy, delicious recipe you can make for your dinners and lunch anytime. Very quick and easy and fast. So let's get cooking. Okay, so here's my chicken wings. Here's about, I think, 10 chicken wings over here that I'm using. It has been cleaned and washed. Okay, let's just chop these chicken wings up. Okay, so you're gonna just cut it into bite-sized pieces here. Just like that. Just cut it into 2 pieces like this. Do this for the rest of the chicken wings over here. Okay guys, so here's all my chopped up chicken wings. Now I'll show you guys how I'm going to marinate this. Oh yeah guys, before this recipe continues, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Okay guys, let's marinate this. First I'm going to sprinkle some salt all around. Quick sprinkle all around, that's all you need. Give a quick sprinkle of white pepper as well. All around. Add in some sugar. I'm adding in 3 teaspoons of sugar. Next I'm adding in half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. We'll add a tablespoon of crushed garlic. This is store bought. Then you'll give a quick drizzle of oyster sauce. Just all around. More or less, it doesn't matter. There we go. Next, we gotta drizzle some soy sauce all around. Drizzle some Chinese rice wine. If you don't have Chinese rice wine, you can pour in some whiskey or brandy. Now we're going to drizzle our oils. Here I'm drizzling some sesame oil. Then we're gonna drizzle some olive oil. Okay, now we're gonna give this a quick mix. Then we will add in some cornstarch. So just make sure each piece of chicken wing has some flavor on it. Okay, now you're gonna check if there's a lot of sauce. So as you can see here, I don't have a lot of sauce because I didn't add in a lot of like oyster sauce and soy sauce and all that stuff. But if you guys are poured in a lot, then you have to add in more cornstarch. So if it's like this, it's not that wet, I'm just going to add in 1 heaped teaspoon of cornstarch to fuse the flavor into the chicken wings. If you guys have a lot of liquid in your bowl, you'll have to add in more cornstarch until it forms like a batter. But now it's perfect. Just gonna give this a quick mix. Let that sauce become like a batter so it can fuse the marinade onto the chicken wings. Okay guys, so as you can see, you just give it a good mix, and then now we'll let this rest for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then yeah, then we'll start cooking this. But first we're gonna prepare some bell peppers and onion ingredients. Okay guys, let's chop up some bell peppers. So over here I've got like 2 green and 2 yellow bell peppers, and also 2 onions. Okay, just cut the bell peppers how you like it, but I like triangles, so when you make this dish you'll look prettier. So cut off some triangle shapes. And then for the onions, you want some bite-sized pieces of onion pieces. So just give it 3 slices like this is enough. So it'll be something like this. I'll cut up the rest now. Okay guys, here's all my bell peppers and onions over here. Now we will wait for the chicken to marinate and then we'll stir fry this up. Okay guys, let's fry our chicken. First I'm going to preheat my pan over here. Add in a bit of olive oil. Rinse this around. Okay, so here's my marinated chicken wings over here. Just gonna dump this in the pan. Now we're just gonna layer it flat like this. And we're going to cover it with a lid. We're going to pan sear one side of the chicken wings for about 3 to 4 minutes, then we'll flip it around. Okay guys, so I was pan searing this on high heat for 3 minutes. Let's flip the chicken wings around. Okay, as you can see on high heat, the skin turns the skin brown very quickly. So now I'm just going to cover the lid again, and then I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes on medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Okay, after 3 minutes, check this out. Stir it up. Okay, you can see the chicken wings are all brown nicely. Okay, now we'll add in some sauce. Okay, first I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of bean sauce. And I'll add in 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Turn up the heat on high. Okay, now we're going to toss in our chopped bell peppers and onions here. You got to stir fry with the chicken wings. Just keep on stir frying until the green peppers and onions are well done, and then this dish should be ready. Okay, I'm just going to cover this with a lid. Just going to let this cook on high heat for about 3 minutes. Okay, let's check this out. Wow. Quick stir fry now. Now all the bell peppers and onions should be well cooked after we covered the lid. And you can see there's also some sauce at the base that came from the green and onions. The sauce came from, a lot of water content came out of the green and onions, and it created a nice sauce coating for the chicken wings here. Okay, the dish should be ready guys, check that out. Turn it off. Just dust it off with some green onions here. Wow, tasty dinner. So quick and easy to make. Okay, Okay guys, let's give this a taste test. Wow, just check out that chicken wing. Wow, nicely browned and cooked. And your nicely chopped up green bell peppers. You don't want it too soft. That's why we just did it for. We just covered the lid for 3 minutes. Yeah, check out that. Also got the juicy piece of chicken wing thigh here. Wow, yummy. Okay, let me switch off the flame and let's give this a taste. Let's grab the chicken wing over here. Let's check that out. Taste a piece of the yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. A piece of onion over here. Let's taste this. Okay guys, let's taste some of this yellow bell pepper. So tasty guys, so tasty. Green bell pepper. Hit the crunch. Onion. Guys, I promise you, give this recipe a try. So nice and tasty. Let's taste that chicken wing here. The marination of the chicken all went into the chicken wing here. And well seared. Have a good chicken wing bite. So yeah, this simple to make for dinner. You can enjoy with a bowl of rice. Yeah. Anyways, thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys.